So if you just got yourself a brand new shiny iPhone 15, you of course want to protect this. And so today I want to review this JETech screen protector for the iPhone 15 and see how easy it is to apply and of course the quality of the actual glass. And by the way, would like to remind you guys, like this video and subscribe for more content like this. It would be appreciated. So the packaging is pretty simple for this. Let's open this up. Okay, so I was struggling to open this plastic material all over the packaging, but not to worry, I have a SIM ejector that will cut through this hopefully. There we go. Let's rip this off. Tailor-made for your smartphone. Let's see how tailor-made it is. So, putting that away, let's open this up. And there we go, we have a lot of material in here. So I think it's a 3-pack, which is pretty awesome. So if of course you mess up on your first try, which I likely will do, I have backups. And in each of these we have a cloth, a sticker, and a wipe. So yes, we'll have to use those. We also get an align tool, that's awesome. These make applying screen protectors way easier, so that's nice. And you have a warranty card, that's pretty awesome. So okay, so you get, oh wait, 12 or lifetime? Why is it 12 or lifetime? Anyways, now there is also an installation guide here, but of course, because I YOLO things, I'm gonna do it without this and see how it works. And we have the actual protectors themselves. So let's put this all away because we have the main stuff right here. Right, so here we have the actual screen protector. It's a full protector, so it protects the whole front of the display. That's awesome. Let's first wipe the screen because as you can see, there is a bit of dust on it. So let's get out the cleaning wipe. And here we go. Wipe it. Hopefully we get a bubble-free installation, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I think we've used that as much as we can. Now let's use this to wipe the debris off. Okay, to the best of my ability, I've wiped this as clean as I can, but of course, the final check, the dust sticker. This should get rid of anything. I should ideally turn the phone off before doing this, but anyways, we continue. Let me check again. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I would say so. Let me put the align tool now. Here we go. Fits perfectly. And now the installation. Right, so we have the align guard on now. Let's take this off. I'll do halfway and then stick it on the actual device. Okay.
One eternity later.
Okay, that took a little longer than expected, but as you can see, we did get a pretty good installation in the end. Now, I know there are a few small bubbles, but they should disappear over time. I'll give you guys an update image right now. But yeah, for the price, guys, pretty solid. I'll leave a link to the screen protector in the comments and in the description. Very cheap screen protector that does the job. Somewhat easy installation, though the guard didn't work as perfectly as I was hoping, but that could be because I'm an idiot, so yeah. Overall, guys, I'm happy. And if you're wondering, touch completely works fine, so yes, guys, that's about it. Any questions you have, leave them in the comments. And on that note, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one.